Hey guys, it's Chris, and we got some slunks in today. I have no idea which ones these are, so I'm gonna be just as surprised when I open this one. First looks, alright, we got 2 pairs. We got something in the bag. Nope. So we got Tsunami Beach Day. So let's see the design. Alright, so this is pretty sick, to be honest. The waistband, the seashells, and, shells, looks pretty cool. See, got the waves. That's a pretty cool back pocket. See, I really like these waves up front. It looks super sick. Yeah, these are sort of basic slunks, but I like the design. It's really cool. In the pocket, we got their Instagram tag. Tsunami. I have volleyball training. So maybe we have something in the back pocket. I don't think there's anything yet. And maybe this last pocket will give us something. It does. Life on Earth, life on the East Coast. I want to give a shout out to everybody at SLUNKS for making this happen. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.